I want to drop the column sorry, I want to drop the table like as a drop. It's a drop. So hit enter. Okay, that's my bad. I need to mention the okay, it successfully dropped the table, and then it successfully dropped the table. But be careful when dropping the everything while you are using the drop or the row factor. It's changing the data. There is no complaint table. It was successfully dropped or deleted the column. Drop means basically delete. Next we have the alter. Alter is a command. You can add columns or the drop columns, change the column data types, and rename the columns, rename the table, and remove the constraints, and make other changes. Alter is one of the most useful table command that we can change anything. While if you are created the table, if you want to modify something on the table, use the alter command. Let's see some basic. Okay, I want to see. Okay, let's see some basic changes on alter. The table, the job. I want to add the column. Sorry, column. What was the column name? Hours work varchar and 20. Run it and save. It's successfully changed. Let's see what was happened. It's added the column as the varchar at the both added the column. We can also change the drop the column. I want to drop again the column. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's my bad. I forgot to remove. I successfully dropped the column. I'll show you the example. There's no column. It was affected and deleted. Rename the column. Alter. Select table. Job. Sorry, we have. It successfully changed. I'll show you the example. It successfully changed the job description to using that change command. You can just change change the columns, change the column name. We can also change the entire table name. Alter job, rename to job timings. Can I hit enter? It successfully changed. There is no more job table. It's rename it to job timings. So it's rename it to job timings. On the fifth row, I have see that rename to job timings. This is a use. You can use or search any Google. You can use lots of things. Alter is most of the times we have the using or updating the changing the comments. And next we have to discuss the data definition language, DDL, or the data manipulation and the data manipulation. data defined language and the data manipulation language. Like we have using the creating a databases or the created tables or dropping the tables. Let's see what was the data manipulation means. Data manipulation means the column 1 or column 2, the querying or changing of modification. Data manipulation means querying or changing anything like that. In this the down below there is a username and the first name, the last name, and the gender, and the password and the status. I want to see only select username and the gender and then status. So from user details table, let's see what will happen. Okay, it gives how many records. So there's 5000 records. These are the 400 records. It's only it's a manipulation norm where I have certain columns. I need these columns. These are called as a manipulation. Username, gender, status from user details, where username is equal to smike 28. It gives only the its output. This order show the data from only the content from mic 28. You using the where class and the previous code. These code that means where is equal to mic 28. It's a filtered. Where is used to filter the data, like where username is equal to mic. I want to see only the mail IDs, only the mail user, the clause, and select username and gender and the status. So from user details, where so is gender equal to mail and status equal to 1. And run this. This output like it gives only the mail IDs and the status code is equal to 1. These are the most times we using like these are the manipulations. We want only the certain number of the names, or showing the example, and then is deprecated will be removed and the future result. Okay, that's fine. This is rolling this and then is not using right now. Then you have to use A and D. That's it. And run it again. Sorry. Show me the only the mail, The gender is equal to mail and the status code is 1. Then we have the order by. Select start from it gives the order by the username, and this the clause is order by this is the values 3215 values. It's order by ascending order, like a B. This is a bell, the 32 bell B, or these are the B's. Starting with the B's, usernames, and then C. This is like that. If you want to certain like order by these column, order by this column, those columns, like this, you can also use this order by. Order by is one of the most used cases, like when you want to use certain sorting order. I want to order by the usernames. It's starting with the B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You can also use the first name. It's ordered by the first name. This is the one thing, bell, first name bell, and this started by the B and the BR, and then BRW, and so on. This is working well. It's ordered by. And then we have the ascending and descending orders. This also you can use the ascending and descending order. Same case, yeah. Default it's showing the descending. it's showing the descending order. The first name is starting with W, and this default it shows the ascending order. But if you want to the descending order, use the descending, and the final output it shows the descending order. I show you can also do some maths. Select 7 plus 5, it's 12. You can also select 10 into 20, it's 200. Select 7 5, here's like that. Adding, subtraction, whatever you can do any multiple things, minus, derivatives. You can also pi the values using the select column. It's give the output on the terminal like this. What do I go by? Then we have null values. Null means represents the missing or unknown values in the MySQL. Is null, is not null. I want to find is there any null values on this user data type. Select store from username from user detail table. Okay, that's fine. How to use the start there. Okay, this happens. Which it does not exist. Okay, that's fine. This is my bad. Forgot my name. Still trying there. Okay, this showing the empty means there is no null values in it. It's not null. Show the all values. Null means only indicates you have any null values. If these columns have any nulls, it's output the terminal. You have to get the null values, only the null values. Either it's there is no null values, that's why it's showing the all of the empty values. All the empty values. If there is none, it's indicate the null values.